Sasa, Munya Bimaya Sasimu Kuma, Episa Mumuna, Pata for the Fury Ama, Ono no de, Eradi Uma one is one, on the Baba Beji, Eradi man, a free quiet. Eti obi si me sa onu nya for no ba now so no sana osia OPATAFUOR tia now obi so cross me sa na brabo ni na ra ye basa onu so sana osia OPATAFUOR tia onu na ye de na ba se na basa betia ke diafo obebubu dade adaban na wa yusumu akurade abie eni ti se okwa boya ya obati ani OPATAFUOR na se mo ba to ya so onsu beti OPATAFUOR eti finso ni obati ani OPATAFUOR na for so krade e hobia na wa sai bebia. Yeah, Prophet OPATAFUOR, man of God, Eradishirawo. Yeah, OPATAFUOR, Eradishirawo. Yeah, Prophet OPATAFUOR. Yeah, but where you go, Eradishirawo. Prophet OPATAFUOR, Eradishra Udabia, Maya Bofira na Fedia Menini, Miwuru Nifobia, Otese OPATAFUOR, Akanesi, Ofira Naba, Oshane China, OPATAFUOR. Ode na wodi asam na asam so ne awrade esa no nyame aya no waya ne se on my dendene osi ujata no na odumo janto mi okana na fo peso afesia na osa yarewa na sa wakana bere umpa eya ejuri pie bu kese esa no nyame aya no ni din di OPATAFUOR. That's a wood sign is the money. Obey Chama. Eringa Wihini. And now both to say Dubai. I own Yaku Ponson. Emma Muyi, dear. So I the money as room. If it's a one guitar, Raditi Pawate. Yeah. Prophet OPATAFUOR. Man of God.
Mre me chiachi obi bia ba bia obi a me chia won saka live telecast ya no a share ma me hu se wo line so wo do nchi aba na msuma je so kama na efe. Okay, Mr. Fifi Esuman, Chairman, big ups to you. Mary Magdalene, to say, Bibia Boko. Stubite, big ups to you. Reverend Joseph Jima, Roger Stevenado, salute you. Sofu Tony, et say Bibia Boko. Sheena, Makele Champon, Eva Dubuahin, Mr. Kwaju Apia Asante, Oh my goodness. Faustina AJ. Flora AJ. Hey, Faustina AJ and then Flora AJ. Are you people related? Dr. Drew. Michelle. Feriza Aklivi. Schofield. Schofield or say Bibiaboko. Josephine Boateng. My only sweetheart. Radi Yankupon. Panda. Ebenezer Dunya. Greetings to you, Josephine. Ya Grace, Panda Online. KP, Gloria Quay, Justice Osafo, Chairman. Salute you wherever you are. Grace Kodia, and you may me church you be a when need any ahobrasiye kwam. Ahemfo. Medical doctors, lawyers. Ankra a mwabie mu amunjuma. Ema ne mema. Babcho mechiamo. Eni die kwaso. Maybe Snyakum. Lord Mensa Luga. Bacho mechiao. Josephine Boateng, I'm not feeling the love tonight too. Mr. Yao Ofori, Alice Asem, Augustine Aqua, until again, me pacho, ukunu to say, Bibiaboko, Mensa Richard, Flavorful Corners Kitchen, aka Mkwandada, Bibiaboko. Davis Freeman. Josephine Boateng. What love are you talking about? A love that I have to beg before you love me. Is this kind of love? Although I just said me patch and sign what do OPATAFUOR. We or do. Hey, I mean you know why Josephine. Yana Mashada Prewatum Masa Trouble. Okay, Jennifer Pia Sante, big ups to you wherever you are. Anaji. Okay. Hey, maybe Snyak says, Papa, you are looking cute tonight. Mijitum sa, Yano Kres Mijitum Bajavende. Enya can't the wobe de onye. Yes, I believe say my settled. And you can bring in your questions. I'm willing to explain everything to you. We are in our lecture room. We are here to educate ourselves. Frank Comey, you're welcome on board. Yes, bring your question. Bring your question. Bring your question. Kindly bring your question. I'm in here for your questions. Amajimai. Mr. Victor, salute you wherever you are. I believe you are doing fervently well. Yes, me pacho. Kindly bring in your questions. Today we've lost a lot of people because there are some people who are absent. But for whatever reason, let's take it like that. Maybe next time they will be on board. Yes. Ebenezer hini techi me pacho ma me no ye. Ayano achi ana mami. Abe, thank you very much. Mr. Robert Donko. Good evening to you, my beautiful young mom, Elizabeth Odru. Dr. Odru says, the Dead Sea Scrolls, do these add anything to the current Bible? Yes, it adds a lot of things. I've already taught you people that there were certain things which were written in other books, but our predecessors, our spiritual leaders who were the bishops, apostles, and the rest, they saw to it that there were some exoteric teachings and knowledge in some of the books. So they intentionally sideline those books that possesses some esoteric teachings. They know how dangerous it is when it comes to the possessions of human. So they had that intention to do away with it when they were actually compiling the Bible. And they intentionally gave you the one to which they deem it fit, that when humanity get access to it, it will not cause any harm to them. So there are other books over there, and they intentionally sum it up and then give it a title that it is called Apocrypha and stuff. But these were books. You see, the Protestants, their Bible is different. The Catholics, their Bible is different. The Charismatic, their Bible is different. Now, when you go to Ethiopia, these people, they have a different Bible over there, but all connect to the 66 books to which we, the Charismatics and other churches, are using. But don't restrict yourself and recite in your mind that when it comes to the knowledge to which the Bible have, it's all written in the 66 books. No, it goes beyond. So get that. Dr. Drew Yamishra. Okay, Abina Amsterdam, Bibi Aboko, Amsterdam for 1 year. Then say me so that I'm Amsterdam pa easy. Me bon pie one day that any baby. Okay. J. Waddell, Reverend Adakwa, Linda Hansen. Hey, Enu, Bibi Aboko there. Pastor Shadrach, Sofu Bibi Aboko. Yes, bring in your questions. I'm willing to respond to you people. Okay, Samuel Abuaje. Jiwado, I am doing fervently well. Mr. J. George. He says, Prof, please, can a baby in the mother's womb think? If no, then why should Esau and Jacob fight over leadership? Okay. One thing that you have to understand is that Anaminkechi. Okay, let's get back to business. With regards to the question that Nana J asked, he says, do babies think when they are in their mother's womb? As a matter of fact, no. Now, people who have had the opportunity to read a little bit about psychology, not parapsychology, rather, I'm talking in respect to psychology. When a baby is being brought to the world, at that stage, the baby knows nothing. So the psychologist will tell you that the baby is in the stage of tabula rasa. Yeah, stand to be correct, something like that. You can Google it out. It is within the jurisdiction, the mandate of the parent to feed the child with whatever necessary information to which the parents deem it fit. So a baby knows nothing. If anybody tells you that when a baby is in the womb of the mom, the baby can think, it's total lies. They are with empty heads, nothing. But when it comes to what you are actually asking about, what actually transpired was that it goes beyond what can meet the mortal eyes. The two boys which were in the womb of that woman, there were two different spirits that possess these two boys. In these times, as I do speak with you, a woman can get conceived, and when she's passing by, a demon or any extraterrestrial or principality of any sort of a spirit source can tap into the woman and possess the baby in which the woman is carrying. If you understand what I'm saying. So these Jacob and Esau issues, it was two spirits that possessed these boys. So it was these two spirits that was using the boys, the image, the spirit of these boys to fight themselves in the womb of their mom. So as the Bible goes on to confirm that these people, there was some kind of rabble shift between them when they were being conceived in the womb of their mom. You might think that the Bible is talking about a literal essence of physicality, but it goes beyond what the Bible was actually talking about. So that's the whole issue. Davis Freeman says, Papa, please, why did the book of Joshua got lost along the way? It was never lost. People with their evil agenda intentionally exempted it. They intentionally didn't include it to the Bible. So it has always been there. It was never lost. So get that. Belinda will say, he says, what are the signs for the true witness that will come on earth? It is already written over there. The two signs of the true witness, it is already written in the Bible. When you read it, it is over there. Just go to the book of Revelations and read it out. The Bible explains itself that this, and that are the signs to which will follow these two witnesses. So go there and get it. Yes, if you have any question, you can bring it. Oh, I'll send you a Fabra. Let me tell you something. It's like a computer motherboard. The head of every human, It's like the computer motherboard. The brains that you have is what you call the processor. Now, under a scientific tone, when you understudy the brain, you could see clearly that the brain has a lot of multiple functions and different parts of it. Now, when all these parts comes together, then we get what we call the human brain. The same thing also implies to a computer system. It has different parts. We have the RAM in there, the ROM in there. We have different ports, the USB ports, the power ports. We have the processor. We have the motherboard. ICs are being installed on it. We have capacitor resistors and stuff. All these things come together to get what we call a CPU or a system unit. If you understand what I'm saying. So, whatever information to which you will feed the computer with, in the later on, when you are in need of it, it will reproduce it to you, or it will reproduce it for you. The same thing also implies to humans. When you give birth to a child, whatever that you want the child to become, that is why you have to be very strict when you are grooming a child or when you are bringing a child up. The kind of information which you expose your children to, it will go a long way to have a detrimental effect on the child. Because whatever that you feed the child with, it will store it within the cerebral capacity. And then in later on, it will tend to reproduce it to you. When you teach the child how to lie, one day, because the child has stored lies in its membrane, one day it will reproduce it. Sanity. Enti onipa adwene sanity. Yes, what question Fabra? What question Fabra? Enti onipa adwene no, obi ebe wo na kwala biara, onim nyansam biara woni tirim. I just want to see akwara no. Sanity. Apart from akwala, where spirit baby. Akwala where spirit baby need the only yedinka program in free so that child doesn't go through this normal thing or these natural things. That child is being programmed already. In the likes of Jesus. Jesus was already being programmed. Okay, Jiwado says, Father, I learned God resurrected Adam and Eve from death several times after they sinned in the garden, asking God to forgive them and take them back into the garden. When God put them in a cave, Jiwadi, is it a question or what exactly are you trying to tell us? I don't get you. What is the difference in Psalm 127 to Proverbs 24:33-34? Should we be sleeping for God to provide for those He loves, or we should sleep for poverty to kill us? Kone ma explaining that we might explain in long time. Kindly go through some of our live telecasts. I think one of our members here on board once asked this question, and I took my time to elaborate on that. Thank you very much. Oh, a question, Fabra. Mo question mu oha. Anyway, muni bibia kantino. Don't repeat yourself. Give me new questions. Doris Sewabre, for greetings. How are you doing? I believe you are doing well. If you just see what I to say, Yaboko. Your friend is saying, Rexford Boache, He says, Papa, what is the true cause of Daddy Lumber's death? Why? This is what you call consultation. If you want to consult an oracle, you must pay me. Rexford, you go pay me. If you pay me before I go tell you, where you will be able to hear more. Yeah, share Bible. And in 2% who you lumba spiritually. Say, oh, mammy, kakrasha me one. Nanka my enioma. So, unsemi friend and animal qua. Okay. Mr. J. George say, Papa, so what do I tell you that ayen to my gua? Is so bonny be ho. The pacho wadaroma. It depends on the pakro. Na obi wo ha de natade ye ntomago a problem bi ama se nipa no no wo mobra na obi o mobra so de o ye ne hwia anyi. Excuse me, sorry for my language, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, but me chere wade bi me answer question we are wa beti ase. Imagine say odifo opatafo de madri na matare a mejai hye madane ne ntomago e de prapra fie eni die o ma na eni fie nim ohene a wote akonya so na atade ye de prapra form eni die wo minister MP president na tare bi a onyusu afi ye de paper form eni die wo eni die nim da enti wadaroma atare ye de prapra form die e depend na emom akwa bi woni nam mantem ho a office akwa we die no land so die na tare no nse wano wa mobra enti odi twitwi form a no problem, but me matare de me pacho sanity enti o value ho na ubu nyame honhom e wo so a watare de e de na ade ye ntomago ma kire se watare ye dada na wo mpa titim enketenkete na hyeno titim enketenkete na hyeno emfa watare ma obi ada titim na hyeno wankasa woba emfa watare ma no watare ma no. Okay. Stephen Nado, please, Papa, can you pray for me? I'm sick. What is wrong, Stephen? Tell me. I'm willing to help you. Okay. Pastor Shadrach, this is a very good question. He says, please, Papa, where does the Spirit of God or evil spirit dwells in a person? Is it the soul, the spirit, or the body of the person? So if you say, and fana nyame honhom ana bonsam honhom etena wonipam enipa no ne honhom ana ne kra ana se ne nipadua me pa chaw onipa kra tumi bia ntimi ntenam tieniye onipa kra tumi bia ntimi ntenam onipa honhom tumi bia ntimi ntenam nemom you can alter it. Nemom onipa nipadua se we adaka eno na tumi ni betimi atenam sa na tie okra de untimi nya ne hwe nemom honhom ne de utimi alter no ye ka se alter na se ne se obetimi corrupt honhom no but okra ne de untimi corrupt ne da honhom no na obetimi corrupt no obetimi a corrupt no by giving the spirit a corruptible information. You make me a corrupt when you pass a home, but in a crowd, don't be corrupted. That what you say? Sanity. Madam, you answer. Okay. Flora AJ. I don't get it. I don't get your question. Augustine Aqua, he says, please, Papa, I'll message you. Please check it for me. Thanks. On WhatsApp. Okay, again, Mati. Mr. Victor, he says, how about sending my case, use clothes to my nephews in Ghana? Can I pray over the clothes and send them? Over. Mr. Victor. Opesa omano omobobo asesa won. Opesa omano omo hyebere ani dane enye bida. Me odifo opatafuo me say enye bida. O ofase bi na office obecha na de a tisika sentale mienu na obetimi ato ne fa koma no. Na say wo mantade de wobesisa de akoma omo de enye mistake da. Oba bi atali bia emfa nko enyanka fie da. Enye bi da wasase weso. Opa so wie de ama wo ma. Ade bi onipa de hye ne ho 3 times bia no. Ne honhoma kam tienie. Atari bia enipa e de hye ne honamu emprensa bia no. Ne honhoma kam. Etisi yepese ye sell. Yepese ye frɛ okra na doa. Yebetimi agina saade ne so de asɛl mo abrochirefo bebre di nti a ya sɛl mo ma no mo ma ntaade na mo hyɛ na ɛyɛ o mo ho nketenkete no na mo boaboa no package ni kama mumubi mo de ko children's home mumubi mo de ko ma mo de bagana e de be chema mo busuafo mo wo fa asene mo ne mo nananom na me ba cho nipa na oji atare no unim honhom kura e wonim hwe mame nka asemi kiro ye wo nipa bi ho a wo ye extreme wicked tienie ye wo enipa bi ho a wo ye extremely wicked me ma che obi oti nyansemi na metimi aka kiro hwe utimi ye obi adoye ho na adoye na awaye no enso nani na wono na sa tena ho se watwa ne mpoa na odi ade na odi ama no wodi akosori etia sunsun fam abre wase abɔ fam nti saa na tie nti abrabɔ na ye bɔ no minia so amoani na hɔ a de bia atamfo e do be ya akoa nipa be gu animu ase enji nipa nida nipa trimo de oba obema o wo fa o ohini o osofo o okomfo o odifo o enji nipa nida nipa trimo de ye pai obi trimo a ena nyankopon e integrate ye brain waves na woni trimo no sound e produce an carbon say obi a waye na doye da obi a waye na doye da wa gunsa o tiri so obi a waye na doye da no wuni ho a odi watemu wo achi okakasa fi editiaw obiletil eye wo ketwa e wo nani so ati ase nti niam bi wo ha me pacho mo wani na ho wate enye bi da enye bi da hwe flavorful cornet scotch odi e cornet de odi ye sa mistake na me to aso toro me ball no real vida o sisa wukunu ntare ahyepo de abagana e de abeche hwan odi ye sa mistake no omo di stroke bi be twene wukunu mu a ono ankasa onamo ede de omo de be send no na o ka se eno me ye wode ye timi di fa WhatsApp ne Twitter ne Instagram nyina o ye wode ye timi di fa mframam omo di sunsun bi be di a day or better 400 we are the weapon home she oh hunamu atare nenye abrochire na awote no £5 $100 and na obetimi de anya ntare atoto now they are ba said do bi a ho beso bia no wato aba enye by force abrabo no sebi ye boaboa ye ho de nanso enye by force se fa obi adeso aso a de obetimi aboa ne bia no aboa no ho enkwose sa okuru mpaboa enkwose sa okuru ntade shini nyina me odi for patafo me say shini nyina ehu obi amobo da na akwa na akohu ni mobo ne say sunsum wiaso ebe hima o beifo beibonsam sunsum fi bitinimu obi wo ha tumi no na ahye da abo na daja na wo de watale akoma no me wo abrantie bi mo a mo wo zenete ne de mo a mo wo zenete ne de mo benim no e friend otuo serebo na otuo no wo abrochire ena obaaye okọ abusuafie say sofu bi si agina e bi wo honti okububu abusuafie no na waye ne yie he de ka abusuan ye no kom de ne kwahya tikulota tires na nkomakunu trailer kese a lodu nioma kom de ne kwahya ase akunu nyame na gye no rasa de abusuan pe ne ho an waye ne ho no ate e mane nya osawo ne wanya bi aboro so nti wo be ye gaga odi agoro a wo bɔ fom abusuan be bɔ fom obi wo hodo a aduane na wanya ne kakra na wudi no nyame na ehu mmɔbɔ ene ode wa dodge wabusuafo no wafire omani na mumu bebre abusua na amutimu no mu amunim se bayie ahye homa bayie ahohumfi ahye homa enti kakra na wanya no mesrew fasie enye ho gaga isem na modie de bia no opatafo mitubufo na ada mewuo no na mobehu yes more question mon family she man bia owo abrochiri o se okoton paboa 9 shoe o America enso oko holidays e wo ena okoto empaboa Italian shoes bi oto miensa na o shempaboa na echi no na emia no nti o share ba akopɛ ena o ye na adwene se o de mpaboa ne beba Ghana no de akoma na danfo ena o packaging ni nyina gu ho ena o de ye o de bre o de bag anto ba visitation o Ghana no de ma na danfo no je mpaboa na o de na seresere ase na koma ato ne yem akwa no ko ya na o de akwa ne de mpaboa na kwa duru so me se mine no de eboa no se obehia opatafo mine nine pa unim jepi my elephant asis no ne nine I say ye de asi ejam ni atoto ena eho ehwane ena aye kasiesi I say we footballer na ukọ camp a waye mistake wama oyonku player afa wo shoe ahye footballer bi wo Ghana ebi no mu di no ne friend Chastela ye obi a the whole Ghana mo amunim no de munim no Chastela any Dombo temu omo the mark Accra hustle folk any Asante Kotoko ewura enipa kumam enso so omo sheda enya Chastela ne mpaboa ne boot ena omo de aduro ni shame akwa ne hyeye no ena aduro no eforo Chastela 9 eno ni Chastela ahwe ase no ahweyi kitua bi a yenu abema Chastela wanya no Chastela han ehunu wantimi amobo da ene say ne wode akon retirement no o ka se dipa nyina na pe wa asem ho mo abrochirefo ne de mu firi abrochire banam ne na mabusua fie ho ne ye ma oboga ne wani su biriw one nam ho ne ye wo fufuo ma odi ne ye bompesie ne ye ma okobi near you say, don't trim me out there. Hey, sister, the money na ho, na we remember when we was, and na Yesu can be cheerful for the sea for no. Or some more sense to say, Munu and I'm remember when we was. And can a German boggess, a man on free Germany banner. Oba no watwe pimpinis aja UK for one some do madwene no eda honti wono UK ni oba kra o ma hu se oye boga otimi shata ali bia sa ne opekra wonto but opo mu a omo ba omo ma hu se omo ye boga fo a German fo Holland fo ni Amsterdam fo omo de yes on se tete ho no na ya bro chire nyina ye Germany ni Holland any Amsterdam yes yedi enu na yenim na wa dress tiana ne ho pampa ne fa ohima no say sister you was smell Holland because omon toma no de eyeko sister se we nya nkwa asem na jumo be diwu no remfida na ayifuo so difa Italy fo Italian burgers omo de in fact levels any make say Italian burgers for so omo ta pa sorry because oho no mo shoe nti oba ni shoe no ta hye ani mu tenten nti o aso dem na who say shoe bi wa ambacho ye if Italy na buy Italian burger no so na ho ne ye twitwidi ehuo ma no ne ye banku ne ye wofufuo eni abrochire onya we bi ndi abunabunu ne ye nka ayi kontomire nkwa na enwa kakra wo mprekese ne ade na burger yi di no odi say sister no eni bra yi fufuo no omudi ni onim say ye ne hyebre no wadi ni Ghana no obekwa akoduru abrochire no na nioma mu aye dindindin tieni yo Mr. Robert meboa oba Ghana ayi 7 gagai eni okwa yi ase a ni amani 2 burger nie Italiano German burger nie Holland eni omo bonsan yo na adwa wo half aso fam ye antipokua of se obaya ofri Holland mamu na baye aye nti na sister iti ni ne kon de da ho aye nti no obaye ose obaye so obehu enioma ensu oto se forwarding obaya okura de nsam 20 million ode boa ose wo de aka bia ebeba akire bia no mana so nte na ansa no obekọ no no be di asa ni ye bonumi na Holland burger Italiano burger American burger America for the no maso ayeshi America for the ushi American burger bia na so ayeshi American burger bia so ayeshi omu de menamfofo no omu ntimi ni mo minim de nti America for omu ni time ma omu ho krasa ada de America for no ya mo ncheche bu nchire me America for no American burgers ni time kra omu ni time kra de ya America for na mo la ni so munka bi nchire me yo anti-sapoma say for aso frame ye Dr. Oduro Manchester and so man tell say ukunu e da form ono so ono ukunu ne co school in fact ye ne mranti brem adamfo obaye so wabehwe brichie abo ofie so wontimi ntena sesa obaya okura de nsam 50 million monye na abusia mo fankan konyangu ye baginti yadase piao da sebru mo piafo na abusia mo momodian na mo koda na se na ye bonyum doctor na ofri Manchester by ni o doctor na bacho doctor ukwa yie na se no me bacho uye sunsum nyuma de uye sunsum nyuma ubehu akwa bi ote yie na se a wanom nsa aburo upata de baabi empata sa akwa no e baabo nsam ono na ya obegigi nkrofo no ehyebre wa abusua no tienio enti wo so dididi wa chi saa na mistake on sa koto din say eno ano no afa wo be free Ghana be kwa abrochiri no na adwuma kora wonya bi nye wo be free Ghana be kwa abrochiri na adwuma kora wonya bi nye na problem se toto na yare toto project a wo ye nyina no say ni nyina wo de akodi nkra do kono we ase OPATAFUOR de me si ada mewu no mo be fe me se de bia me bie mu ani wo de mamu ani na ho ala okay bogafo a omoba mahu se saa bogesfo no omo ye silent me pa che di entia di entia Canada boges omo mpedi di kra omo ye silent because Canada fo amamiti omo nyina omo ye din na omo ha dwene ye Holland fo no Amsterdam abena ho ye Amsterdam ni Germany ni Italy fo America fo de bia o maso ayeshi mi nua no America fo mo so na nka mu ye o na wo a wo hwe me ahwemi ye mi so me hwe wo watimi afiri abruchira bagana wo ba ya wakogina bedwom ene ye bo enwoma ena wo sa ena wo dan ho na wo dada ho yes bogani ni ofiri UK ne ba ye sister o kwa obesere di o me ka no kracho se wan tumi ni kan firi bedwom ho na da so gina ho se die ofie bosom ede eka be di wati no ukọ woni wo na be furu aeroplane no OPATAFUOR happening. Okay, US for no, obviously because of their priority, that's why they are always busy. Okay, that's very good. And then Kone or say France for no, France. Okay, France for so the titia bruchiri. France for the ultimate for money rough crack. France for. Hey, na UK for bogus. Share. Masa UK ni dia untimi munu kwase ya o. Omani da ho na omo no ya na efie abosom na ha wo mo UK bogus na efie abosom na ha wo mo. UK bogus there omani da ho because UK fo amini mo mu nyina no. Omani da ho na omo na abaifo ne abosom na ha wo mo. Henry Glover, he says UKDA in person. UK4. Aya, Mate say, yes, say, asofo ni bika say UK4 bogus de omutiri mo odin. There be me de men kasa da. Because me ministry mo pa omo mama feel pa no UK ni America and sana countries na kan akeka ho nti de me hu no wi ase ne say UK fo no omo pe no kore yes UK boga bia pe no kore nti sa o ye sofo now de no kore nante a me pa cho UK fo no mbe hwe me de UK fo tirimu nya den da they are very, very good. Very, very good. They waji watum, they no waji watum. Just say omo hono sikenyano and that form. Aha, hono a little bit difficult. And into omo no money daho. Sana UK 40. Omo boa flavor. Kwani UK 4 nye pepe. Omo boa pa. I can defend the UK bogus. UK bogus for no money daho. Money down. Okay, if you have any question, bring it. Jennifer, it says, Papa, please, what if you like the dress? Try it on, but doesn't fit, and buy it for someone back home. Why should you have to try it? Yo, in a draw half was a fembe. Yeah, abna, in abna baya, or Amsterdam abroachimum. Soon tino buy, na abna near Gise. Now a home, abna. Omde yale basuma o, dear audience, share. Dear, Ombo, UK for your stingy. France for, Michiamo. France for Michiamo. France for the menya abotena be yem nko amu teachings amamo. Na ma kire mu kuro na amu timu no. Said the hostie. Ma kire how be sia control ho. So anete. America for the omi good. America for you good. Yeah, America dear. It's just that omi are very busy people. The busiest people are Americans. Abrofo a mehia omu nyina. Me wo abrofo bi. Me wo UK abrofo, me wo America, me wo Germany, me wo Italy, and Spain. Na Russia for kakra, India for so kakra. But abrofo ni nyina do e busy pa Americans. Entina ma me kasa ne bibia. Michael just say, Prof, please, places where you can't burn your cloth. What should we do before throwing them away? Thank you. Say me pacho. Say untimi nhye watare na opese ukoto egu a bomodin na atare na wahye no ora na odi egu nsuom na wasi usi a fagu enkyini nsuom emani nsiwo mani nsiwo abrabosuo ho na bosuo ni moso tienie bosuo ni moso ma ade enchi enkyini nsuo ne kan watare na okra na usunsum ebefirim efirimu a odi agu ha ma ade ache oh insuo bosuo na gusu ama ade ache eno ano no no we yi hata ma na wo no you throw it off. Jennifer Pia Santi says, so please, I'm just trying to understand. As long as it touches your skin, it's no. Yes, Jennifer. Huh? Oh, Radi miemani wati. Radi miemani na montini ya omasi. Sha. Utimi chia obi nsem keke. Na waje wa wodie. Ohunam say timi kan obi. Na waje wo destiny. I'm telling you. Victor, he says, can I give my case communion? If not, what age is recommended to start giving them? At least 8 years is normal. 12 years is normal. 12 years. 12 years. And you can give them communion. Akola bia uso we nyini obetima ma communion. Ba on pese obema akola no communion on kola abiremu a wetimi atwa ma na 12 years answer. Robert Owusu-Forjo or say, is it possible to change a girl that God has destined you to marry that often appear to you in your dream? Is it by force to marry them specifically, or can you change to take anyone? Mr. Owusu-Forjo no kre woman say say oba bi piepie wo daye mu a no kire say we are destined to get married to her. If a woman is destined for you to get married to her, then it should be confirmed by the Holy Spirit. I was a Holy Spirit no catch na say bema we or your dia oba we or your na say oba bi piepie wo daye mu de but your energy thrash it off. Right, Madaroma. And I say Yankupon says our ban and Abe Warren Ame Pacho, Untiminia Hoshi. Untiminia Hoshi. We are dane on one Abe Warren. ware 1,000 times ni nyina begu unya asomdwie da o ware nyankopɔ honhom befiri wo so nyankopɔ honhom empɛ w'asɛm da ebi ne di Samson no ɔkɔ ware Delilah urade so wɔ man nkɔ or still we are Delilah esi money doggy star esi ebobɔ no blow job no Samson adwene mu nyinaa sɛe urade se man nkɔ sɛ urade nyabotre na esoro hɔ na wote asase so ni ha unim enema bi a Delilah de yɛ mi anka onye sa what they say. So what happened next? Abro ko ware ye no na Yankopɔn rejected Samson or take it man. What they say? Inti sanity wadaroma. What they say? Into oba wo ye ukunu die bem wo ye ukunu ana oba wo ye wo yere die upa ye den ono na abe ware no. Ena ebi wo so so a ukohuna Reverend Tony to say so the make an unim the eko nyina tie nie bia ukohu oba bi ukohu be ma bi upe no be ma no ye ni monyamfo ope no okay no kra ma menka eno hia okay na emom ye woni ama bi a metimi a kire o adekode no oya saa nipa na ba ba ye odia otwini mu tan oba ye odia saa net okay on say me dangerous e ba kwankire dia obi anim say senior most me kasa me ma kwankire so oba bi ope be ma bi why no say on the you ade a metimi a kire o na wa ye wo na chi abaya odia opa otwiri mu ni betre nye pe a frame with D4 OPATAFUOR. Okay, Davis Freeman, okay, God bless you. Hagar. Hey, Papa, please. I had dreamed that my husband's face was full of worm. Is it worm? Worm. WORM or WARM? The WARM is what? Please explain to me. Can you come back again, please? If she's married, the woman to which God Robert was so obano so oba ekoba so obana Nyankopon de na ma wo se waware oti aware ase a asegbe di ehu se oba waware ti aware ase Nyankopon be ka kire se wona ye wo yere ehu well me de mintimi doubt nyame mintimi doubt nyame de mintimi doubt no because on the papa no ni hu enti se koba se oyire na abaware no waware ne dada hai obi aware ne dada nyame na nim ko be fa so de wade be ma eja wada roma sa na meka no ja Flora J was it please daddy, what is the spiritual implications of confirmation in church? Please can you come again because I don't really understand what you are actually trying to tell me. Confirmation beya confirmation say Papa, please, how can you know this woman is destined for you? Oh, and just ask. Ipacho oba ya odi ade no aso obisa honhom say ye nyina ye kwa asori ye nyina ye na ye hwe ye hu ebi ye praise before Methodist for Pentecost Assemblies of God ye nyina ye nyame ma say onkonkon wo ye so busa onkonkon say oba wo ye media. Okay, Hagar, yes papa is well, yes. Enti die nyame pese o kire de say osole a ukunu owo thought bi woni tirim oka asembone fa obi ho enipa no specifically no ye nyame nipa na emom no sa nipa no okasa fa no ho no opese o kire say onye papa but nyame so pese o kire ne say ahohomone afra nani enti ontimi hu de enti ontimi hu de nipa na oka na asem no ontimi hu na asem te say ebi a me kasatia obi say nipa na me kasatia no say ahohomone afra mani asimaso enti ntimi hu nipa ni Yesu de bia me kana asem condemn no en na ye kire wo ne sa worms no adwene no it must be changed. Kache so unjai why usu unjai yes sa worms no e be say na e be dum le bi na sell. Okay. Or say, Daddy, please, after baptism, confirmation is done when the person is of age. And please asking if it's really necessary. How do they do the confirmation? If you can quickly brief me, how do they do the confirmation in church? How? And what's the confirmation about? Throw more light on it for me. Okay, I share. Also for you, I say how to confirm if the girl you see often in the dream is the one God has chosen for you, and how will the Holy Spirit confirm to you? Brah, where do you say it's simple? Simple. Bepacho okay kan Bible. Erade ka kire ye papa Abraham. Oka kire nakoa. Tieni. Oka kire nakoa. Abraham ka kire nakoa say onso ni sisi. Na onso ese de o kan bia obedi so. No onko ware ma Isaac. Na emom onko no Abraham ni krom. Ndi so okọ ni krom a. Tieni o okọ ni krom a. Ni krom na okọ no. Obehia obaa bi. Saa obaa no. Obema ni nsu anom. Na wasa ama ni bi. E de ama ne ponko no. Saa obaa no ne obaa e wo say owale no. E de ne ma eye Isaac. Ampa Aaron Boateng or say sometimes we wait no reply. It's like you don't do it right. Me to my direction abra obano erade. There won't be a be actual. Now enti okoye no ekwamu eno kohia obaa bi ena abura oyese opebi di anomsuo se na ade ni ho enti ohun ya nse Rebecca eba enti Rebecca bae ena obetu abula ni bi ena ode ma Abraham akoa no ena o ma aboa ni bi ho no ohun se asema eye enkomhye na Abraham share no abam what you say enunti okoware no so what you say enti ebi mu wo hono mo a You get things wrong, and that is the whole issue. Okay, let me go through. We see soon. Ajay George. We see the soon. We see the soon. Odi agora obi be drill pa. We see ni panye. Tinedu say the member to be confirmed is asked to learn some recitation from the catechism as pertaining to Presbyterian doctrine before you are blessed or confirmed in the presence of the church. I don't get it. Papa, so after the New Jerusalem in the Bible, all believers will be back on this earth. Not all believers. The small ones will be back on earth, not the higher ones. Enoch is a higher being. Jesus is a higher being. Melchizedek is a higher being. Yes. J. Joy says, was Abraham a prophet? Yes, he was a prophet. Okay. Gift Ayule says, Papa, please, the confirmation is done for the person to reaffirm his faith. Really? I see. One day I'll show you how we do baptism. How to baptize somebody genuinely. How to baptize somebody. You know we have 3 forms of baptism. We have 3 forms of baptism. And you must get all. We have the Holy Spirit baptism, to which Paul did for some of the new converts or the pastors whom he met, and then he asked them that, have you received the Holy Spirit? And he says, if hadn't been Paul who is even talking about it, they have not even heard about it. We have the Holy Spirit baptism, we have water baptism there, and we have a 3rd baptism. And that 3rd baptism, it is special. It is special for some people. And when you nyina mo dia, and then momo de ne de betimi de amamo ye honkonkuna subo ene ensuo mu asubo ye wo last one bi wo ho eno de special. Okay, Mr. Victor, please, what should one do to make things right spiritually if they feel they are married to the wrong person? Well, Mr. Victor, marriage is not easy to be dealt with, right? Sometimes if you got the balls, you have to grab the bull by its horn and hit the nail by its head, just like that, bang bang. And you know, a better than one who say, Obana on it, and Abema on it, were a wrong person. And you say, and Tokwaka Krebia Bentina, and I say, when you be aba, Nimum, before say, Ubihus Obawi, Bema we wow, and now Uncresun Papa. I just say, we investigated the panel spiritually, thoroughly. Yeah. Apart from a no, physically, you can work on it. Media, Abrabona Airbono, the hear me about coupe, Tini, Odifo Patafo, Abrabona Airbono, the hear me about coupe. And he say, a seminar walk say, it was soon in Susan Soa, a patromi veniagro. But when no money dear, you bet me as a son. What you say, you bet me as a son. Okay. Okay, Flora J. Okay, I get you. Oh, okay. Sometimes it's good. It's good. Say you take people through certain things. Different. Me the come for the different because me bowasu. First one, Second one, enough. But we are the DNS so many. Me yet third one at the mouth. Third one I'm at the bemount. Uchu time. I just say, I home no nante. I know that Jacob 2:4 angels will keep on appearing to you because that time on Sadiana Mayama Intino, you qualify to see angels, you qualify to communicate with beings from higher dimensions. I know it involves a lot of initiations. And those every to me man life. Now only to me not to say the dini ayenioma chronteno menye manipa a dangerous. But on conclude they met me the besato so impartation the amount is here. Met me about su and you different. But o share a different na ubi our neoma different. Yesu. I will say ye boy Yesu esu. Me boy ye bono ensuom esu boy ye didn't share mu no. And na konkron ne baye ebe bo na su. Now Yesu ekoye no ne third baptism no ewo Egypt. How do I know John the Baptist na man? Okay, the third baptism no ewo Egypt. How no ye no? How na enioma course. What yes ye? How na enioma course. Inti me pewasem a ana me feel say me yadawa. Me timi aye asuba toso third one na the amount. Chale enioma ho atensafo ho. Enye Herbaba Kondo Queen 00202 no there be enioma ho links ho to me ho enioma ho pa na the catch say uhia obi wo to me a fa ho bono na agi bibi dware na agi bibi di wate mane ma obi bi ntafre na Abraham shia Melchizedek no oma Melchizedek mani bibi dware ano man BBD yeah neoma ho links ho what. Okay, let's get back to business. I've got a lot of people and the lie says a child could be baptized in a church, and after that confirmation is done for you at JHS to be officially accepted to perform any church activities and responsibilities. No. Baptism has nothing to do with you being granted the power to officially accept to perform any church activities. No, baptism has nothing to do with that. Kwame appears last. Kwame say one day this is a program. Marty, one day may program. Why? Okay, my goodness. Royal Majesty, I say, Papa, please. I saw myself in a dream getting married to my fiancée. Then after the vows, she started acting like a mad person. Then I saw you appear there to pray for her, and the madness disappeared. Please check on that, okay? Check out. Davis Freeman, thank you very much for your compliment. Okay. Minia, enioma oho, me kind of cratch enioma oho, and will be not down. Nioma oho. Nioma oho. Ati. Nioma oho. Nioma things day. Share. Say me catch now say. Ada will be who to me no sa ada no. Wabrabo nyina besesa. The day you see power, everything about you will change. You will see say things day. Hey Gama, I told him to stop, oh Papa. Dear. I'll say Higa, Mamin Chrawade. Sir, worms, me from Palmer worms. Oh, power webs no so no say omo kata wani a obekika nsem hunu wo nyame mu saa obo nse no wadi hia enti say ye ministry na wo ye adwuma na wo ye a enam saa emfote na ohunu wo wani mu nti no ema wo ensi wo yie da ye woni pa bi wo ho a ni mu odu sene o kana asɛm a ɛbɛdane no me abɛda wo so ye woni pa bi wo ha omumu odududu spiritually. There are some people bi wo ha omu yes very strong spiritually nti sankrofo no ye nka o masɛm o kana asɛm ɛbɛdane nkonu ya beso. You see, Numbers chapter 12 verse 1 downwards, when Miriam and Aaron made mistake by speaking or voicing out derogatory against Moses, what happened? Unyankopɔn punish you, and you will be you don't have that mandate. Maybe Sinyako was say things day or OPATAFUOR. Oh, things day. Me kind of crash to things day. Me things day. I'm telling you. Things day. Me kasi majo ajitu majo. Me joa majo. Forget the dinner man for you. Things day. Things day. Okay. Ousu Fodjo, it says, great year. I have seen you before giving one half of dry fish to me and another half to a girl. What does it mean? Ousu Fodjo. Enye kra enye tienies say also die na ya chow dry fish and answer watch fish na a dryer de ye pese ye kire won say obre nyina be ye kwa enye entini kwa sa me ma dry fish ousu e wasa me ma fish a owuye ni kwa se me ma dry fish enti dry fish na me de ma wo ne oba no e pa kire se ebe mo abre mu mienu mu bebre. Oh, kafra so oba do ola ne so am kafra why mon kafra ye OPATAFUOR enye eni kwa se me ma dry fish na me ma oba no dry fish enye kra enye kra enye nipa bia obeso daye pa daye bia yama adwene anase ko bia wawuo tilapia wawuo bia no ye pese ye kire wo daye nim se obire nyina be ye kwa enye kra enye bi da saade no se oso daye hu se fish ni we ya e se wo ye fast ete se waso daye na wasesa enwa ene waso daye ache fish o se wo ye fast na wo ba afode fast kra na obi a ni mu oduro e de ne nsa to so eye eyi sa musuo ni efini obre na ye de ato so no yi firi ho fish de edi kwase wo fish de eni kwase wo Shina says, Papa, please, I need your help. I'm not feeling well. Then how? What is wrong with you? I should have given you a live fish. A live fish. And no matter how you waste your time with the lady, your sufferings are going to be prolonged. That is why I'm sure that maybe you prayed about the lady and you called my name. I'm sure that you pray about the lady and then you called my name. So when I came there, I have to speak to you in a proverbial way. That is why I gave you this, I gave you that. Efia Jesiwa, I said, Papa, please. I dreamt I was given a maize farm by an unknown man. and a lot of food stuff. I even share some in my dreams because it was a lot for me. Please, what does it mean? If you just wa minimum, nanso so kamia yese ukogina nyankopon anim e ka kire se oma osika tie die ukogina nyame anim se oma osika na oma osika a wo de bebo nyame adwuma enti afuo no aburo na hu ye no aburofuo no eye nyankopon ma what ase afuo na hu ye no aburo a enipa bi a obeso da ye hu aburo bi a no enu ye nyame ma enioma na eka ho no aduane na eka ho no eye nyankopon storehouse a wayi emu nhira de ama wa wo so de be ye nyame adwuma what you say na emom no there's a problem you have to find solutions to it. Robert also for says I've not met with her. Please, we have not even met. It doesn't matter whether you have met or you have not even met. It could be there is a woman there. Maybe you are admiring a woman or maybe somebody, and this is the realities of life. If you understand what I'm saying, say unshia or baby asadi, and you're careful. Why? You're careful now. One control. Hey, Papa, I want to conceive a baby boy and name him after you. Hey, maybe you ought to be bedding our now. Right. Ought to be bedding our nada. Okay, if you just I will say yes, it's exactly what I said, Papa. I always want to help people. Yes. If you just confirm me say, I am back. Okujina nyame anim say omani niye oyeyi a ode be nyame adwuma enti saa de ohu ye no there is a price you have to pay and there are process you need to undertake enti bo modia na hwehwe sofu bi okwa aka kire no onye ho amane ma why ye wade bi also ode ma odware for 40 days say wo se wo be nyame made a your process be also ma odware 40 days and sana nyankopon de boss a promise no adekode na obusa no gift no and sana the amount yes I am bam yes I ho be kire na kwan a ho be fa so a kire ya le no me de be how me de yare be house and you know find a better way to talk to God. Find a better way to talk to one. A fear Jesse, I says, Papa, unless I come to you. Me told me this is my year. Me told me my year. Me say me sorry, me nye bibia. What you say? Me sorry. I just say somewhere 2029 near Shia enti sebeya bia untimi ntwen a untimi ntwen a untimi ntwen a I just said 2029 why hey can say bia opening tentem enti waiting at Church of Pentecost is a good church. Assemblies of God is a good church. CAC is one of my best. Go there. If you see a nice pastor, it doesn't mean that all Pentecost pastors or all Assemblies of God pastors or all CAC pastors are good. Some are being demonized. But look for the good ones. You tell them, they will pray for you, okay? Ombechiro se meme de nyame wadom na mihia wo a meye nioma bi ama pa. Okay, yes, bring your question me de sisi de meme nya sorry on say yes, I never said 2028 gift yayule. I never said, I said 2029. Obia nim said 2029 they be America. Robert, don't call Papa, please. I used to forget my dreams all the time. Help me. Okay, Robert, copper cinnamon oil. Why? Cinnamon, full cinnamon. Copper cinnamon. Nebo dingo so 3 times. Never count forehead. Asa, and one. Debbie, if you just see why, don't test me, okay? Sheena. Sheena, says, Papa, please, for some time now, I have been feeling weak. I had surgery 5 years ago, and since I feel on and off. Okay, me pacho idea. Surgery na idea bad ye. Omo se omo ho nto omo yare no. Idea bad ye, idea bad ye. Spiritual na physical. Idea ya. Yale be ya, idea yare. Is it cancer? Is it cancer or what? An idea. Cancer na de. Stroke say stroke ni nyanka won to ho a de obepe ida say obedi body eyi ni ye body aye body hawa no wa me anu ama sa udi a be 1 week enu anu no sa won sa na aye say e week na be ko ana say nya sa de na de bia so num ai kubensuo num kubensuo sa enye no a unim genti a stroke no umoja no se won sa we a emoja no ntini no intimi mflow intimo say a paralyze honum nyina the major ade ma stroke chinkrofo no but scientifically it goes beyond that. There were various forms of stroke but nyaha na mbechirichiri dear yare where from this yare mo pe yare o diabetes na hawa tienie diabetes na hawa onyankopon nim die mu no oyansafo diabetes na hawa ana okay ma minjai de ma minjai okay Jesus class when one of them asked me a question then when I was trying to answer the HS gave me the correct answer to respond. Okay, yo. Obi wo hono a waduane a wudi wo kidney nyina ye yemre so wo kidney yemre a mo problem no mo di enti aya mo yare no ma min twambo mo kakra na min correct mo di enti aya na mo yare no mumubi maadwene wo mutiri mu nyina ne say age se o yare ansa na akọ hospital onim se ni nipadua no etese vehicle na car utwi car saa de bia ede na eye utwi car de bia saa ede na eye obeye maintenance enti wo nipadua no ehia maintenance but mumubi wo ha mo mfa ho onam awia so girigirigiri okọ office girigirigiri oye adwuma gar onfa ho obehu na yale abọ no po ne de na koto hospital na sika na wa save ni nyina no na ode akoto aduro no wanom abra oni padua no ehia maintenance mumu bebre de hamo ye ma aposo mu ntimi no adentia mumu bebre mu sisi yam ya ekuro mumu bebre kura no ekura ba mu sisim ekura ba mu sisim especially mema no ekuro ba osisi musu a na e creative problem na obe ma phone na osisi mu yemre odo ho ka oba na ho aba saa ne ma no eno na ha mo obi wo so why operation pain why surgery e wo yem obi why surgery wo yem anasa ho ba bi pain eduro na ye de ma wo no ekuro no antimi anwu enti de bia bo se na emu tutu na oda untimi na saa nneɛma wei nyinaa no onyankopɔn atwerɛtwerɛ no nyinaa wɔ Bible mu ɛyɛ monkenkan Bible no o Bible no mu monkenkan Bible no ɔbɛkyerɛ mu nneɛma correct one monkenkan na de bia yɛti abonsam so mahwiri makɔ soro mati abonsam so David machepo etesi tanu mirafio tama na meti krobodum ase no na omo ta to saa nwom no pa mekɔ asɔre bi ɔsi David machepo David wɔ hirimpo ɔsɔre na ɔsa me yɛ ya ɔmo ankyerɛ me krɔbɔ ntimi ne krɔbɔfoɔ wɔ ntɔkwa because ba betena krobodum ase mo ankyerɛ me akoa bi say ba ne machomo okay mini okay Esther Jima, I say, Papa, we read, but we don't understand. Oh, Esther, sorry. Papa, please, I need a direction for my online business. What do you sell over there? Okay, Parkinson disease. Okay. Godfred. Okay. Mate. Alice, can you speak Robo? Are you sure? David Machepo Manche. Say or daddy Manche Robo Henny Tanya friend any oga Manche. So the Manche means or Henny. Because Satan na kwa sorry. Na me call her so feet. Ewo Krobo. Yeah, Krobo. Or say David Machepo. ATC means what? To stand up, right? Krobo inkamete ya kagaga ya me de be so my anti krobo no you people didn't teach me. I can only speak Sefi because I was birthed in Sefi. I can't talk into Sefi there and a Hausa and a foreign language. If you want the words of your mouth to be powerful, what should we do? Ope sa wano kasa eye ya nye tumi na oji jitumi sha otechere mo ope sa wanum kasa ye powerful jitumi sha otechere mo jitumi na fa sha otechere mo onyankopɔ tumi o na ye de befra tifu ye wo bi wa eno especially me ye de ma politician ohene na osofo sa ankrofo emi ensa na me ye de ma mo amaka o ye me de me nye ma nti wo hene nam se wudi nipa so nti no me ye de ma ye de tifu ye wo na ye etifu ye wo then obetafre ne sa for 7 days abra on kasa obi a you become very strong do a ye sofo wanu jesua o shen kom kra mbam o sayale kra mbam o ye bibie mbam no so ye di tifu ye wo but o so for the end of 14 days o touch my powerful Mentio pesa o touch my powerful yes on set touch man ewu o touch me wu nti o se de bia te sase kan Kone Kone say she sells food supplement and a lot of stuff. Okay. Our France and Kone say Kone who of France. Okay, big ups to you all. You say upon maybe share later. Kofi, he says, please, Papa, help me. I will travel to Sweden very soon, but I have dream about plane accident. Nothing will happen to you. Yes. Dr. Odro. Dr. Odro says, not talk to even your wife. Yes. Now, when you say, what true to me? You see, some of the reason why so many men, your wife is not afraid of you. Your girlfriend is not afraid of you. Is because you have killed the power on your tongue. So when I do that thing for you, and if you want to talk, so that the forces in you or behind your words will compel your wife or the woman to respect and fear you, you will not talk to her, because women are dangerous. Emma is dangerous. Emma udiagora. Emma be true to me. Emma be true. And Emma no so no mo ha adwene. Emma yi ubekisi no. Oba bi abakwa kono mo no fo ano. Ni nyina etoro tekere ma so tumi o. Ena mo a ebi wo so okọ extra ma eboliking, right? Ni nyina etoro tumi. Emma oye te say take away a ye jollof na free mu no. On say so ni mfa so o mo to twere. Enti wo obema no. Wuti wo yiri din kura na wo yam hihyew. Wo ye call na wo yiri kura atwamu a at the sound of your wise voice. Na oho puchecheche. Adinti na wo say banisa wo ye bema a wo say wo yiri mom ni suro no wo mom suro no. So hu. Enti yesiesie bema onko yesiesie bema. Ema ne de wo ye wo yiri. Nanso ye wo tumi bi wo ha me de mawa wo yiri kura hwe wanim. Ye wo tumi bi wo ha me OPATAFUOR me de bema wa wo yiri kura hwe wanim. Kopim say mebo tumi na tenase aye ne bibia ma wawie no aye strong ansa na wo yere aba wo nche ena wona wo yere dabia wie a ana wo girlfriend dabia wie a se de be ya wo tumi na ekura wo no entro na wani mo nyam ntofa mu ntino woni ne eye de mbe ye wie ya ye wade amema wo di dware wie odi bia go dabia wo ye strong spiritual, nobody no baga wire. Women are bad, my bro. Women are bad. They will break you and tear you apart. Clement Esiama, Miracles family. Okay, I can see you online. He says, Papa, I'm late. Please, you didn't mention my name. Sorry. Estajima, obey on. Consider Mr. Assassin was a bone. Oh, hear me. Oh, they hear me. Na da ho na de pija onan na ye ho say ase gongo mi firi ho ba o de ye sa won pa no so na one day oh question I will be sami Esther Ajimai question Esther Ajimai bu sami ma ye di no be me anko bo nkoto amita no okay ma de bro nsem nyina na metimi aka kiro. Women are very sweet. The ma uhu se usika so mfaso ye oba enye wa chenti ne pesika e ka wa chenku anka ye mere ye ho ubehu ayi anwaka driver pa na wa bre na car na tifiri na mate e de a brake pad no ye asantema me friend chalk the car chalk ne to na a year faso na to na ko edimirika ni nyina obehu ayante akosu aba atado antia ena anwaka driver woni ni mate omo bresa no enti ayoba na mahu sika so mfaso ayoba na saa ma we so ba mu ahunu se wiase no ena hokwa enti misro emema na mu di machi no aya obemi a ka kire me se papa man bibi mo me ho bam e wo me yene ho wate na me yire oye akumi ofie ho emema no mu hia me a mo nkasa ankire me odifo OPATAFUOR man bibi ndware na me yire ye akumi ofie ho wate radi yagopo Already Jacopo. I could be casting me. I said, Papa, could you imagine? My wife called me. Hey, Sammy, come here. Hey, Sister Rose, is that how you are? We will meet tomorrow. God bless you and have a wonderful night. God bless you all. I really appreciate you people. Kodro Michiao, my sweetest mom. Ko unkwa de memfa that because of my mom. I love my mom, and I have to power my mom. Ko. Hey, women are sweet. Oh, women are sweet. When you have money, women are sweet. But if you don't have money, women will become like a girl, as bitter as a girl.